Yo, what is up, guys? It's you back with another Forza Horizon 4 video with a Lego expansion, but we've got the XP Falcon. It's a 20 million credit card, but it is actually one of the best and best cards. If you didn't know, well, now you know. Well, my you can. You say whatever, but for us, it would have to be, and we have to have some full time cards. Okay, so yeah, well, it can handle it. This one goes. This is how we know it's a good or full card. Because we started at best. Let's see how fast we can get to pit stop. To the very common class and Falcon Speedway. Let's go! Here we go, boys! Another big leap. Aliens! Bye-bye. I haven't ever going to see those guys yet. Coming up to the finish here.
You're coming up to 2 minutes.
Oh. Well,
You're up to 2 minutes.
what? Oh, my Falcon Speedway is over. Alright, but that's it for the XP Falcon. Next car you should have, well, they're both quite expensive. Because if you want to get this off the auction's house, yeah, you need 20 million credits. Or you could win off a wheel spin for free, but it's very hard, okay? So guys, that's what the first card. But the second card is the Alfa Romeo 3 Stradale. Yes, these tunes are not shared, but this one is. This tune. Have you seen Alien? Anyway, this is one of the best.
My stress ball just ended the vid.
What?
My stress ball tentacle ended the vid. I'm joking.
Okay, guys, but
If you don't know, we have stress balls.
Very good at anything.
Turn left.
Maybe I'm just the best at this game. Well,
Let's go over to Brickchester. Sorry if it's a little blurry in some of this.
3 facts. I think you've never gotten that much in Forza. I bet if you're in 6th gear, you can act very good as a street leader. You don't know the speed limit, but I don't care. It's on the speed limit. So remember, this is all off-road. This is what the rally cars, but this is why it doesn't spin out because it's so big. Whoa! Whoa!
Time's ticking down.
Yes, we're doing a trailblazer. guys, all of these are like the middle or best one. So I think the middle or best one is the best. No. I don't want to even miss that, guys. You don't even know how hard these are. They were introduced in Fortune Island.
Alright, we'll go to top 5.
But moving on to the next card.
We're not gonna do any footage really, but whatever.
So
Let's
guys,
make this vid a short vid.
the next card. It's another expensive one. It's another expensive one.
So pull on your big boy pants for these money cars.
Because if you get a hole in one, if you're playing golf and you get a hole in one, you probably need another extra pants. But just gonna find the next half. Yeah.
We'll do it in C-class.
We might give it a go.
Yeah. So it's not gonna be that much footage. Yeah, it's not that much footage,
We'll
but
see
whatever.
if it's an expensive one.
Let's
We
just
actually don't have the tune ready. So
let's pause when we get
how
it.
to make this yourself. You would need the
Let's just make the tune out. It's search halfway word 6281. If you don't know, like go back to 648
twin turbo, boys.
and okay. So that's gonna wrap it up for the tuning.
We're doing the top 5, or are we doing the top 3?
I said that's gonna wrap it up for the tuning. Alright, so guys, tuning's done.
Unfortunately, you didn't get to see it all. But we're not going to do the paint yet. But what possibly will go. And I didn't see that will get from 20 mil.
Yeah, buddy. They're what I'm talking about.
That's the worst living point. Wait, is this the war?
Alright, whatever. Let's see you in the next one.
I don't even know what the next one is. We're going to do another. So it's basically 2 already tuned ones and 2 non-tuned.
So this one is gonna be this one's gonna be quite a pain. It's not really expensive, 500 grand in the auto show, but it is the Gymkhana. Oh,
Oh yeah. Look at our POP 50.
yeah,
It's
D100.
100, but it's got 10 figures. Yeah, just finished this already.
What has it been? Like 2 weeks, 1 week?
5 Sunday.
Alright, whatever. Let's see you in the next one.
Is this the most expensive video in the world?
I think so. Maybe 250 GEO if we own one, to be honest. Actually, it's the 91720. So, let's see you.
250 California, boy.
Let's get in it. Alright. So guys, we'll show you a little bit of the tuning, but anyways, let's do a quick ride. Bye.
Is this the end of the video?
It's only been 9 minutes. Go for it.
Let's make it and actually the top 5. So we're gonna
Alright, that's it for this car. That's it for this car.
Is also quite expensive. Another 20 mil. Yeah, the RS200. If you could get your hands on any of these cars,
Props to you.
because this Okay, but oh, was this Winter's car? No,
Anyways, go for it. Alright, so guys, fifth and final car. Gymkhana 10 feet focus. You might be wondering, but wait a minute. If this is Gymkhana 10, why would it be the same year as Gymkhana 8? Well, it's weird.
Top 6. Now it's time for the last one.
Yeah.
Actually, we haven't tuned it, so yeah.
Well, I mean, it's a bone stock rally car, so it doesn't really matter. Whatever.
These are the most expensive rally cars.
Next one. Big. Fifth and final one. That's gonna wrap it up.
No, it's not.
A white quick whittle tour.
What?